You have definitely come across whiteboard animation videos on your feed at some point, and there is a very good reason these videos perform so consistently well. They are clean, engaging, and genuinely satisfying to watch from start to finish. And look at this YouTube channel. 81.2 thousand subscribers built purely from posting this one style of content, and their top 2 videos are already sitting at 1.3 million and 1.1 million views. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Head straight to the description below where you will find 2 master prompts already written and ready for you. Start by copying the very first master prompt exactly as it is and paste it directly inside ChatGPT. Hit enter, and within just a few seconds, ChatGPT will present you with 20 whiteboard animation topic ideas to choose from. Go through them carefully and pick the one that feels the most engaging and relevant to your audience. Select it and keep it ready. Now go back to the prompt file and copy the second master prompt. Paste it directly inside ChatGPT and scroll to the very beginning of the prompt. You will see a clearly marked topic section right there. Copy your chosen topic from the chat and paste it inside that section. Hit enter, and within just a couple of seconds, ChatGPT will deliver the complete video prompts for every single scene, along with a voiceover prompt for each one. Now here is a small but useful step. You will notice that each voiceover line is presented separately alongside its corresponding scene. Simply ask ChatGPT to combine the full voiceover into a single clean paragraph and hit enter. Your complete voiceover will appear right here within seconds. Copy it, paste it into any text-to-speech tool you prefer, generate the voice, and download it. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the first video scene prompt. Open Google Flow and select the video option. Click on Ingredients, set your aspect ratio to 16:9, and choose OmniFlash as your video model. Set your video duration to anywhere between 8 to 10 seconds, and select your desired number of outputs. Paste the first video prompt directly into the field and hit Generate. And within just a couple of seconds, your first whiteboard animation scene will be completely ready right here. Now to generate your next scene, click on that first completed video, hit the 3 dots, and select Add to Prompt. This uses your previous scene as a visual reference, keeping the style and atmosphere consistent throughout. You can also move forward without selecting the previous scene as a reference if you prefer, but I am going with this method for better consistency. Copy the second video scene prompt, paste it in, and hit Generate. Repeat this exact same process until every single scene is completely done. I have generated 5 scenes for this tutorial. Once all your scenes are ready, download them one by one and bring everything into your favorite video editor, along with the voiceover you generated. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline first. This is your anchor for everything else. Now attach your first video scene, and to match the clip length perfectly with the voiceover, go back to ChatGPT, read that specific voiceover line, and adjust your clip duration to match it exactly. Repeat this for every single clip until every scene is perfectly synced with its corresponding voiceover section. Once everything flows naturally and cleanly from beginning to end, hit export, and your whiteboard animation video is completely finished and ready to post. Now let's watch the result together.
First comes expansion. Then the empire reaches its maximum power. And finally, the forces holding it together begin to break apart. Starting around 550 BCE, the Achaemenid Persian Empire rapidly expanded across a huge part of the ancient world. Its strength came from administration, roads, communication, and control over enormous distances. But conquest from the west brought the empire down.
So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like more high-quality AI prompts, just type prompt in the next video.